Hello guys, this is Kobe the Prince and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in addition to filling out form I-130, which is a petition for an alien relative, if you want to get email notifications, you have to fill out form G-1145. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is the form G-1145, which is the email notification of application or petition acceptance. So whenever your petition is accepted by the USCIS or US Citizenship and Immigration Service, they would send you email notification whenever you have this form filled out and sent in addition to your petition. The only thing you need to fill out on this form is this part here, the bottom part here. I would say put your full name. So whoever you want the email to be addressed to or email notification to be sent to, put that person's name. The full last name goes here and full first name goes here. Again, I put Kobe the Prince. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos. I'll be updating you guys on the application processes. So like and subscribe also. So the applicant's full middle name, if there is any, you put it down. Okay, there's none, so I'll leave it like that. Email address. So email address, I'll put the email address at. And the phone number, you put your phone number there. So make sure you add the area code and everything for text messages, okay? I'll just put 888-888. So once you are done, that is it. You can easily print this out and attach it to your form I-130, and that's all you need to do. Whenever your case is approved, they would send you email updates through the email and the phone number that you put here. That is it, guys. See you in the other video. I appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.